Good day, bearded adventurers. My name is the Wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. And today, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of beard itch. May your beard be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door. Welcome back to another video. My name is Colin Gray from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. If this is your first time to the channel and you're looking for more bearded tips, tricks, storytelling, and adventure, look no further. Hit that subscribe button right now, as well as liking the video and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Today we are going to talk all about beard itch. It is something that plagues many a new beardsman 2 to 3 weeks into their beard growing journey, and it often causes a lot of beardsmen to give up and shave their glorious magical beard that they have just created. And I am here to tell you as a wizard, no, you do not need a resurrection spell like the one I have here to get rid of that beard itch. It is a far much simpler process, and there is no magic required. Well, maybe a little bit of fable magic. Now, the best way to get rid of beard itch is to use beard oil. Yes, it's very simple, and I know that sounds, come on, wizard, really? All I've got to do is use beard oil? Well, yes, essentially it is. Beard oil is the foundation of any beardsman's grooming routine, and this can start as early as day one. All of the carrier oils inside, the castor, jojoba, argan oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, those all are very extremely beneficial for anti-inflammatory properties and other, skin health issues. They're high in antioxidants and vitamins and minerals. And yes, it is a wonderful elixir inside of a bottle. And that starts at your skin health. When your skin is healthy, it doesn't get irritated and it doesn't cause your beard to itch. So yes, use beard oil from day one. Maybe 5 or 6 drops will do you just fine. And what you're going to do is you rub that in down onto the skin underneath your beard, and that will cause your hair to become softer. Now that soft hair, in turn, when your beard grows out in the very beginning stages, it starts in a straight line. And then that straight line starts to kind of curve in on itself when it tries to grow longer. And that curve then getting down back onto your skin again is what causes it to itch. It's irritating. It's a new thing on your face, and your face is not used to it and does not like it. So what you're going to do is slap some of this beard oil on there, and that will soften the hair and cause that itch to go away. It really is quite a magical cure, and I encourage you to try it. Aside from a beard oil as a new beardsman, you can do a couple of other things. You can use a beard balm once a day in the morning, and that will help control some of the flyaways and unruly little hairs that haven't been trained yet when growing a beard. And that also contains properties of shea butter and beeswax inside of it. And those extra conditioning agents will help moisturize and keep that hair lying in place. You can also choose to take that journey a step further by using a beard butter, which comprises of all natural beard butters like mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, alepe nut butter, and cocoon butter. And all of those amazing butters have other different properties that you can use at night before you go to bed to make sure that your beard doesn't dry out throughout the evening and ultimately conditions your beard. If you want to go a step further and complete that journey, you can choose to pick up a conditioner. And a beard conditioner you can use in the shower. Every other day is fine. And that is like hair conditioner for your head, but it's specially formulated for your coarse beard hairs. Combine all these things together and you will not have beard itch. It will become a thing of the past. I encourage you to at least try a beard oil. Start out with the foundation. Once you do, you will never go back. Once again, my name is Colin Gray from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. Please put down in the comment section below what got rid of your beard itch as a new beardsman, helping other beardsmen out along their quest. As always, you can find more bearded tips and tricks in that button in the top right-hand corner, and that will take you to a playlist of all of our other beard-related videos. As always, until next time, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.